big ass mouth. Like that. Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Cool with all the thugs since my nigga told me gang signs bad bitch. Bitches be like, where the fuck your waistline? Body like a porn star, he fucked me like he fresh out. Coulda fucked your friend, but I heard he got a big mouth. He want pieces of his pussy.
You guys could.
Have not.
What?
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Pretty sure everybody has done it once.
No.
That's impossible.
Come over there.
Never have I ever questioned my sexuality. Sexuality? Oh, what the fuck?
I have. Do you know why?
What do you mean?
Why you questioned it?
I mean, I do, you know, like girls. So I'm bisexual by the way.
I've thought that too. But I don't know, like, if considering, like, bisexual saying a girl's pretty and, like, think they're really pretty or, like, whatever, you know, things like that. But I like guys. Yeah. I have nothing against anybody, you know? Like, you like what you like.
I love you first. Like to your boyfriend or your mom.
I don't think I have.
I have.
Wait,
And they started laughing. That's fucked up.
did I? You know what?
I would be like, I don't know.
I don't think I did. No, I have not.
So you said I love you, sir?
Yes, I love you.
First?
First? Yeah.
Well, I thought I loved someone, like, it wasn't my boyfriend, it was someone before him. Like, I thought I was in love, but then, like, he did me dirty, so he basically...
They ain't shit.
Yeah. But, I mean... Yeah. Let's see.
Damn, it's early. What the fuck?
You do my hair. Yeah. You're so cute. Big cheeks.
Okay, never have I ever dated someone I met online. Like on Facebook?
I don't know, is that what you're talking about?
I don't know, I just searched it.
Mm,
The thing that means Facebook, no?
I mean, if it is, then yeah. I think-
But like, what if you've seen them before in person, but like you guys never talked before, only on Facebook?
Mm,
Like for example, I met this guy, but I already knew him before, but we didn't like talk in person. I just knew him like on Facebook, and I went on a date with him. But I don't like him. Just a ball. Oh, I have cheese for you. About that. Never have I ever kissed on the first date. I think I have.
No.
Well, they kissed me, so. Never have ever broken someone's heart. I have.
I think I have, but like, I really don't know if I hurt them. But
I mean, did you broke up with them?
but he wanted to get back with me, so basically, like, we both broke up at the same time. Yeah, we both broke up at the same time, like, in each other's faces. he was like, oh, fuck you, bitch. And I was like, oh, yeah, you too. And that's it. But then he tried to get me back. We sat together, and like, he sat by me on the bus, and he tried to, like, get back with me. But I just told him straight up, like, we just should just stay as friends, you know? Because that's what we were at first, was just friends. And, like, I didn't want to ruin anything, you know? But that's it.
My story, I did broke up with them because they literally wouldn't talk to me for like once a week.
Uh-huh.
And like, also he was, you know, hanging out with other girls behind my back. And then he would tell me, oh, like, I don't want you to talk to any guys. I'm like, but you're talking to girls behind my back, so how come I can't talk to guy friends, you know? Which I don't really have guy friends, but whatever. But he still is. But. Yeah. Never have I ever given a lap dance.
Have I given a lap dance?
Yeah. I have not.
I have.
To who?
Well, to like when I had parties before, like some of my girls, you know, like that one guy, and then my boyfriend.
Oh. Okay. There's another question.
We're done. I'm just like picking at the rest, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, never have I ever got knocked out at a party.
Got knocked out, like you mean like
Beat up? Or like drunk and like passed out?
blacked out?
Like, you don't remember.
So we go to her cousin. What should we name her? I don't want to say the names. Okay, we go to her cousin A's house, you know?
A's.
And then I'm just sitting there. I mean, I've seen her before, but I don't really know her that well. And then she was like, oh, do you want anything to drink? I was like, yeah.
She takes shots.
Yeah, I don't do beer. Beer is like disgusting to me. I don't know how some people could drink it just like straight water, you know? But beer isn't my thing. So
Yep.
I drank beer, and I had like 4 of those Coronas. Were they Coronas?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then that day, I didn't even eat anything.
We didn't eat at all.
Nothing.
I think I got fucked up.
And then later on, more people come, and then like, what the fuck? And then I was like, I didn't know. I was like, fuck. And then we had half of a pambazo, me and her.
I don't think we finished it, dude.
I don't even know. But I know I drank more. I drank like a whole tequila bottle, almost half of it. And like people had to stop me like from drinking it, you know? And then I just sat there. I thought it was the shit, you know? But then I fucking threw
I
up
remember, yeah.
all over the floor. And you
I
know what's
remember.
embarrassing? There was guys and girls and everybody there. Like,
You were not the only one who threw up. There was other people throwing up. When
You
we
stopped
left.
because you were gonna get poisoned. Drug poison. Want to die.
And then she slept over.
I went home, and then my older brother was there, and my mom.
Jesus Christ.
Like, oh my god, what the fuck happened to you? Cause my shirt was full of throw up.
It
What?
was. I actually had fun.
Yeah, me too.
When I got drunk, I was sitting on the toilet and I passed out and fell down on the toilet.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's how drunk I was. So everybody can know.
Mommy!
This little girl right here. This is her boyfriend, her sexy ass boyfriend.
Oh my god.
No, 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 no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Mama.
I'm already fucked up.
Hi, little baby.
I'm already drunk with this little one. No, chile, that's chile. That's sauce. Give her sauce. Hello, Tan. So cute. Like a little fly, a little fry.
Okay, I'll try it. Okay, wait. Fuck. I'll leave her, but all her, social medias will be down below.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And like, comment, subscribe.
Watch her videos.
Yeah. And watch hers. Her videos are good too. Okay, bye.
Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Cool with all the thugs since my nigga told me gang signs bad bitch. Bitches be like, where the fuck your waistline? Body like a porn star, he fucked me like he fresh out. Could've fucked your friend, but I heard he got a big mouth.